What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Freedom Arms Outdoors. I know I haven't been on here in a long time. It's been maybe over a year now. I've been busy with work and school, but now with this whole coronavirus and quarantine, I've had some extra time and put in a good old Karl's order, so I figured we'll open it up on the channel today and see what we got in the box, and we'll see. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, guys, we got the box here. I signed up for Karl's Club, so I got the 30% off pretty much everything. I know it's not everything's 30% off, but most of everything. Then I had an extra discount code for 11% off, so it was over $400 worth of tackle, and I think my total was around $214, so I wouldn't say it was too bad of a deal. Well, let's crack her open and see what we got in here. Got my good old flame knife out here to open her up. See what we got going on here. It flips upside down so nobody random shows up in my house, because no one wants that. Okay. Wow, there's quite a few baits. Where to start? Okay. First, go with the new chatterbaits I got. I got the new chatterbait CFL, the bladed football jig. Got a couple of these. This one is in, what's it called? A green pumpkin on this one. Hopefully that focuses. You can see that green pumpkin here. Set that off to the side. There's a few more over there. Oh. This one is the same thing, 3/8 ounce in Muddy Money Maker. That's gonna be going for the waters around here. Three more of these. I don't think so. So, Google Baits obviously just came out with all the new hard baits, so I decided I'll try a few of these. Actually, I got a lot more than just a few, but first I got the Recon. It's a pretty big, deep diving bait that goes down to 8 to 12 feet. What is the, where's it say the color on this? Yeah, I'm not sure the color on this, but that's a chartreuse with purple. That should be a good one. These are pretty big. This one looks like it's in a craw pattern. Same bait, same size, 8 to 12 foot. This is more of a shad pattern. Same size. Another Googan bait. This is the Googan Bait Scout. I actually ordered quite a few of these, and right before I got my order shipped out, they told me they ran out of stock and had a stocking problem. So I only think I ended up with one of these, but I really like the looks of these. Drive 4 to 6 feet, and that's gonna be a killer with anything: pike, smallmouth, largemouth, walleye. That'll kill them. This is their crankbait. It's the Banger by Googan Squad. It's a really good color for around here. Catch a lot of fish on this color. Here's one of their clutch. It's like a lipless rattle trap type idea thing. It's a sinking version, so it'll dive pretty deep. Another one of their crankbaits. This is a banger. I've never seen anything like that with the color with the glitter like that. So I thought that was pretty interesting, so I decided to grab that one. What else we got? Googan baits in here. I got another banger, more of a sexy shad type color. Oh, here's another Scout. This is a black and silver, which is just a good all-around color for anywhere you're fishing. Black and silver is one of the ones I always start with, just to see what they're hitting on. Dark colors or light colors. It's just a good one to start on. And then this is another one of their clutch lipless crankbait. Sinking, so it'll dive pretty deep. And I think that's it for Googan. Oh no. Got another clutch, blue and silver. Just a good all-around color again. And there's one more in there. This is a Banger, the craw pattern, which there's a lot of them around here, so that's a great color. And then I decided, went on a limb. I always like my Oakleys, but let's try a pair of their Mondo Optics here. This is the, I think this is Smalley spotters. They're polarized. Come in a nice little cloth bag. It says Googan Squad on it. I really like the look of the glasses. They got that bright green with the black. It's a really cool looking pair of shades. Definitely gonna use these this summer. Just getting to the point where everything's starting to really get biting around here, so this is a great time to get a box of tackle. What else we got here? Get these off to the side, stick these back in the box. So I believe these are the ones that were pretty cheap. They had these on like double clearance. but they look like pretty neat baits. Can't complain. They look like good. This was in, what color is this? It's more like a bluegill looking color, but it's really deep diving. Get down in the summertime when it's really hot out and they're down deep. I got that color, and I got a craw color in the same one, which was, this one's pretty cool actually. I'll take this one out of the box. It's got the claws coming right down the bill, which I've never seen anything like that before. I thought that was pretty neat. And one more of those. Yep, this is almost like a Golby color, which obviously the Golbies have become more evident around here in the last 5 years. I thought this looked pretty similar to a Golby, which it does. The actual color is Ghost Minnow, but I thought it looked more like Golby to me. These are also these are Bailey fat balsa shads. They were pretty cheap, so I decided I'll give them a try. I got a few balsawood from Apollo, and they do pretty good. I got a sexy shad looking color, and then obviously the craw color, which are good for around here. Then I got the, this was something I really thought was quite the lure. It's in more of a sexy shad, which obviously I really like, but it's, the actual color is Purple Passion, but it's just a really attention to detail on this one for a jerkbait. Never really seen something like that before. It's got the bent back, so hopefully it gives us some good action. And then that's pretty much, I just stocked up on some of the X-Wraps, which is what we use a lot around here for trolling and such. This is in the Hot Steel Deep Diving X-Wrap. And then this is just a regular X-Wrap. This one's in Albino Shiner. Got another Deep Diving X-Wrap, which this one's in Glass Ghost, which does really good around here. They like the white and the orange. Then I had to stock up on a few of these. I got the Clown and the purple one. And last but not least, I decided to try one of the Mystery Tackle Box Pros. And this is the walleye box, which I've always got. I've gotten a couple of the bass boxes in the regular size, but I wanted to see what I'd get with the Pro box. See how much better it was. They sent me this little paper, tells me what's inside. So we got in here is a live target rainbow smelt jerkbait, Savage Gear 3D minnow, Z-Man razor shad, Trapper Tackle drop shot live bait finesse hook, Mustad ball jig, Greater Water crawler harness, and Walleye Gear scooper duper. So let's bring up the live target. This is right here. Now this looks like it absolutely slay the walleye, especially early in the spring, just going 3 to 4 feet when they're up shallow, up in the bays and the creeks and such. That's absolutely gonna slay them. Got the Z-Man. A little shad soft bait. I think that'd work pretty good for walleye. Bass would love that too, for sure. This is something I've never really seen before. This Savage Gear 3D minnow. It's got quite the shape to it. Never really seen. It's more of a clown color or a rainbow color. But here's the we got the Greater Water. Here's the harness. We use a lot of these around here in the spring, trolling with minnows or worms. Just trolling with bottom bouncers and such. Absolutely slay the walleye doing that in the spring. We got some walleye jig heads here. Catch more fish. Hopefully it lives true. Only got 2 of them in there, but you know, last a while. Trapper Tackle. I think these are the live bait drop shot hooks. They got quite the weird shape to them. So hopefully they hold the bait a little better than a regular hook. I'm assuming that's the point of that. And last but not least, we got some more Mustad regular jig heads. I use these all the time, so I'm not complaining. Always going through these. So I'm definitely gonna use those. And that's everything. That's everything we got in the box. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully expect more videos soon. as long as I keep having time, I'll keep making content for you guys. I really enjoy it, just really haven't had time, but I should now, and hopefully see us out on the lake soon and get some videos out there, maybe doing a little bit of turkey hunting. So I got turkey season around here until about, I think there's a couple more weeks left, maybe a week left. So been out in the woods a few times, seen a few, that's about it. I haven't gotten one yet, but hopefully I can get one on video for you. Thanks for watching. Peace out.